Ginebra San Miguel. 4-game losing skid, must win to avoid complications. Let's see how they respond as they take on Barangay Ginebra. Ball is up and in play. Tip-off is brought to us by Honda, the official motorcycle of the PBA.
Barangay Ginebra signed out to their usual 5, going big. What a pass.
Ralph Gu locating Scotty for the alley-oop.
Ito, napakasimple nun. And Coach Tim really likes running those plays, coming off a timeout or the start. Usually, ang recipient nun, Japet Aguilar or Jamie Malonzo. We all know Jamie is injured.
It really sets the tone when you execute perfectly on your opening drive.
Mabigat yun para sa Road Warriors kasi ikaw yung may kailangan nitong larong ito eh. I mean, when you say na may kailangan because of the implication na magkakaroon ka pa ng playoff kung patalo ka. But for Barangay Ginebra also, kinakailangan din nilang manalo kung gusto nilang maiwasan itong Magnolia because we all know Magnolia is a strong team. And if you're Barangay